on the 7th minute after the open. We have a runner. We have a runner. Somebody catch it. Officially a runner. Okay. I don't want to say this, guys, but we need to step down or stop a little bit more. So let's go down 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. Taking. All right. Looks like we're reaching a pretty. Might get our support right off the bat this morning. We got a little ways to go for the next support level. This could do well. 145. 144. Now's the stop. All right. We're going to have to fire the band. Let's do this. Jump back in, Tim. Little flag entry. Okay. Hey, you got 50 ticks. Who cares? It's probably going to take us out here. It's all right. We'll take it. 100-point runner. If you guys really want your runner, we got filled way up here. So go ahead and take your 100 ticks. If you really want to call it a runner. I think we're probably going to go a little bit lower. So do a couple more ticks down. Lower it just a couple more ticks. Looks like we're going to be stalling a little bit here. All right, 136. Officially, you've locked in 100 ticks. Good job, Tim. Yeah, Tim's busy logging his trade. Like 136, guys. I like it. And 36. Good job, everyone. You guys are going to make me fire up the all right. Boom. There you go. Off the bat. Right off the bat. Give us our runner. Nice job, guys. Out of the gate. Nice job. Doing can wheels. Smart wheels.
Yeah, Tim, every trade that's winning is good. Good job, Tim, on that one, too. I got in really late on that one on a retracement. I didn't make as much because I was getting coffee and such.
That's all right. Got a first touch rule, guys.
They're good.
It's going to be a good trade, so take it. Follow it. I'm not going to be in it. I'm still counting my money. Those of you that missed the last one, clear, easy first touch rule trade. Hopefully you're in it, right? Are you in it? Did you take this, Viv? Please tell me you took first touch rule trade, Viv. What was it that I need to talk to about being too late? Too fast. Who said it happened too fast? Viv. All right, let's talk about that. Show your stops, guys. Who took the first touch rule? Viv, did you take it? Please say yes. Fish, good job. Great job, guys. Should not be flat yet on this trade. You should not be flat. Do exactly what I asked you guys to do. Wait for a little retracement. Get your stops, a couple ticks in a profit. Whoa. Something crazy happening with the chat board here. Sorry about that. Based on my aim. You guys should still be in this trade. You got a little retracement here. Do exactly what we talked about. Bring your stop down to the top of it. This is the plan today, guys. Make it easy on yourselves. Wait for these little retracements. Bring your stop down. Just step your stops down as you go. And then if you got multiple contracts, you can use the parabolic for one. And then keep stepping down the last contract as you go. Plain and simple. Easy stop management today. That's all we have to do. Again, you can see them pretty easy on the 15 range where your stop should be. So you guys should still be in this trade. Oh, your ATM took you out. Okay. I am now in one contract left. Can't let you guys have all the fun. I am now not in. You guys are probably flat on that now. You guys still in or flat? Good job, guys. Really good job. Nice job. Nice job. All right, so let's talk about being Viv. Let's talk about this happening too fast. This candle happened 9:36:01, 9:36:11, 9:36:30, 9:36:47. So can you enter a trade in a minute, Viv? Can you enter a trade? Does it take you longer than 1 minute, 60 seconds to enter a trade? So we got this M forming. Didn't really get a good signal. Had a little top, retracement, and easy 16 tick rule confirmed. Stochastic hook, everything we needed to enter the trade. So get yourself poised to start looking for those M's and W's, Viv. You need to start seeing them before as they develop. Then you'll be in and ready to go, or at least have your finger over the button ready to go. Here's a good way to do this. It happened too fast. Well, stochastics were rising. We had a nice little M form, and we got close to the first touch rule. So anytime you start seeing all of those things start happening at the same time, get your mouse ready or go ahead and put a sell stop in. That's what I said yesterday. Let's put a sell stop in. What's the worst thing that happens? You get filled a little late. You just grab the sell stop, move it up here. So, okay. All right. Just wanted to make sure that you understood that this should not have happened too fast for anybody. This should have been a prepared move. I even said within the first minute or two, we typically get a pretty darn good trade. Can't really get more confluence than that. High stochastics, M, 15 range confirmation, the whole 9 yards. So just be ready, guys. You got to be ready getting those trades. I am short again on a sell stop. So doing exactly what I told you here, waiting for the market to go down, just in case it did. And like I said earlier, I will add to shorts if we continue to have a serious downtrend. I will add to shorts. If you're not good at scaling or you have never scaled, don't do it. Don't follow the ads today. Take your safe trades and take your profits on good stochastic moves, confluence. If we do start to turn, if the market does turn around and start to go back up, we want to refer to the 2-minute again to stochastics to be a little more patient. Like I said earlier, in the downtrend, we want short heavier. We can be a little bit more aggressive as we move down. If you guys are short now, take a portion of your profits. You are in support. And not far from we are in actual support from the chart setting, and not far from our institutional friend support level this morning. So don't be surprised if we don't start seeing maybe an early 1030 reversal. All right, guys. Now the name of the game is to be patient. Again, guys, those of you that are newer to us, that are on trial, we tend to be patient traders. We want to make sure we're waiting for very specific trade setups. We have our first touch rule. Make sure to take notes of that. We'll walk you through them. If you guys want to know what a first touch rule is, we'll explain it to you. Once you join as a member, you get access, as long as you're a member, to our training videos that tell you exactly what first touch rule is, how we take M&W trades, what a fake out breakout is, 16 tick rule trade. You guys get access to all that once you become a member, but we'll walk you through it while you're here on trial. So ask the questions. We're here to help. JR, honestly, I think we're just, like I said earlier, this is a support level. So I'm not sure if I'd call this ranging. I would say that the market's really trying to decide if the support level needs to hold or not. Plain and simple. Now that can turn into a ranging market, but those usually don't hold long, JR. Does that make sense, JR? So a ranging market is a market that's not in a support or resistance level, that's just ranging in a zone. Is really kind of the way we look at it. This is truly a support level. So what we're seeing right now is the battle of who the longs and the shorts. You hear Coach say it all the time. Right now is the battle of the longs and the shorts. So this is the area that if we could see an easy 1, 2, 3 reversal off of this area to the north side, or if we continue, if the shorts take control, we should see another push down to probably our support level for the day. So there's your 1, 2, and if we see a 3 or a break above the 200, it's not a horrible thing. We do have resistance up here a little bit, but if you get this high broken, or this high broken, and then it turns around, that could give us a nice sell signal. Here's an M sell signal, guys. If you didn't get that, you got to be quick with the trigger. Don't be too quick to jump in without confirmation, guys. That's the point I'm trying to say.
Okay.
I am flat. I'm flat on that trade, guys. I am flat. So the battle still continues. I would personally, guys, we just had 2 really good trades in a row. Be safe. Keep your profits right now. I know I keep saying that, but guys, most of you that caught this one runner, the 100-point runner we just had, you should be done for the day. This is not a day that you're going to be looking for multiple 100-point runners. You want to be more conservative after a day like yesterday. Keep your capital. Don't want to jump in the trades too fast. So keep your capital. You guys are all green this morning, right? Everybody should be green. The pre-open runner and the post-open runner. Everybody's green, right? We've had a couple really good runners this morning. Don't want to mess that up. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Great job. Cue up the band. First thing in the morning. Got a couple runners this morning. So think we can celebrate that, right, Coach Sarah, if you're around?
I'm here, Brian. I think we can celebrate quite a bit this morning.
Dark chartreuse. I love it. There's an M, guys, if you want to take it.
Ooh, dark chartreuse.
There is an M if you wanted to take it.
And first touch rule, bro. That's right.
And first touch rule. This is what I'm talking about. Points of confluence this morning. An M, first touch rule. You could use a 16 tick rule short on this. Look at the stochastics. It didn't get quite oversold, but if we're trending down like this, I'm trailing now, guys. Push stop down. Take profits on a contract if you have multiple contracts. If not, if you have one contract left, just squeeze it down. Now is a good point where we can kind of just really want to just kind of squeeze it down. If it doesn't want to bring support, so let's get it down. Go ahead and go flat. Take your profits. If you have 2 contracts, take profit on one now. And I'm moving my last contract down right above that little retracement, just exactly like what I told you guys to do. There it is. Last contract for me is just above this little retracement. And trailing and selling. Good job, Monica. Good job, guys. Just trying to play some music for us. Okay, I'm going to be flat here in a second. Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, Robert, that's the way I like to do it, an FTR with the 16-tick confirmation.
Same here. Exactly.
I like that, and I learned that from Brian.
Yeah, that way, I mean, that's just a way for me to not have to use a prior swing point as my stop, right? That's the only reason I do that is, this wouldn't have been bad because your stop would have been here prior swing. So you could have taken a first touch rule without 16 tick, knowing that your stop's there. But I like to confirm the first touch with a 16 tick just so I can know that my stop goes literally on the 89 as soon as I'm in the trade. So just makes it easy for me. It makes it less risk, in my opinion. A little bit less risk. All right, guys, we're going to move 2 ticks down on the stop. Anybody still in with me?
I am in it, Brian.
I keep trying to stay out of these trades so we can play Cucaracha, but
it's hard.
Too
I have a
easy to
hard-
get into
I
this
should be
morning.
done for the day.
Couple more ticks down. Let's move it a couple more ticks down. Good signals, guys. When you see these trade signals against you, it's a good idea to start squeezing your stop a couple ticks down. Just go ahead and lock in a couple ticks more profit. And again, we're trying to pay ourselves to stay in the trade. We've got we're still in. There's a big area of support here, guys. I'll show it to you in a couple minutes. Well, you can see it clearly on a 60-minute chart.
Not 60 minutes.
Yep, you can clearly see it right here. Big area of support. So just a couple more ticks down in the profit, guys. A couple more ticks. Let me do what I say I'm going to do. Let's do what I tell you to do. I mean, a couple more ticks in the profit. Let's just leave it there for a minute. If we continue to break down, we'll just. The band is cued. All right. That's it. Good job. Good job, guys.
Nice.
All right. For the previous two runners, here we go. Nice job, everybody.
I hope you're all dancing.
I need some memes.
I'm dancing. See, I stand up when I trade, so I can dance easily.
Nice job, guys.
What were those little things we used to click in elementary music class? Castanedas? Castanedas? Click, click, click. I'm clicking them.
All right. Sorry about that. Good job, everyone. Good job. I love it.
Uh-oh.
Some of you should actually be done after that. Let's see. You know, seriously, guys. 2 or 3 really good trades.
Oh, gosh.
I haven't given. Sorry, co-chair. Go ahead.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
2 or 3 good trades in a day, guys. That's all you need to make your paycheck, to make your day. The support area does look like it's on hold, so we're gonna do a little look for 1, 2, 3 reversal trade. If you guys want to play the short side, be safe now. We've already taken plenty of profits. Oh, you took the long. You're cheating, Hugo. That is counter trend, guys. That is counter trend. Good job, Chanel. Do have a buy stop above that high just in case it is a 1, 2, 3 reversal. I will move my stop very fast. If you do not have a counter trend, if you don't have permission to go counter trend, don't do it, guys. You'll have plenty of good trades with the trend. This short trade right here, good short trade with the trend. Meets all the rules. Good 16 ticks short. You could have done that pretty easy. Hooks, stochastics, and taken at least 10 ticks profit from this, at least. But you'll be flat. Tony. Yep, that's it, Tony. Just in case, I've got it there. But if it doesn't hit, then it'll be my stop. Good to see you, Tony.
Tony's here. Awesome.
Hugo can do counter trend trades. He has the authorization to do it. Yes. The more it's easy to know who can do counter trend trades because you have a ton of badges. Yeah, you can look at another M here, Monica. Again, we've had plenty of profits this morning. I'm telling you guys, just expect to push up now. I mean, if it doesn't happen, fine. It doesn't happen. Keep trading on the short side. But at the end of the day, um, we've got to see that we've got to have in the back of our mind that there could be some profit taking going on here soon. So if it doesn't happen, there's if you take the M, be careful, move your stops, take profits quick. Um, we are again we bounced off support. We broke this high, which is what I told you guys to watch for, right? Broke this high. Broke this high. Watch for that. I'm in long.
I'm long as well.
Lock in a couple ticks of profit. Counter trend.
I took 2 off early because it was counter trend.
Yep.
Then I fat fingered into a short, but I did take 12 on it. It's the dome.
The accidental short. I love it.
Yeah.
I did that 3 times yesterday, I think, right?
Oh, it happens.
Accidentally got into profitable trades by leaving my sell
You
stop
did. You did. The
accidentally made money.
There's a thing on the dome where if you scroll up like you're scrolling on a trade, it'll scroll your quantity up. And sometimes I put like 14 contracts on.
Holy crap.
No, yeah, it will if you don't immediately go over to the center of the dome. It's scary. It happened once today and I did okay with it, but yeah, you really have to be careful on the dome, I think. And I'm kind of on a different screen and it's tiny, and there's my excuse for the day. Tony, it's good to see you too. We missed you. We wondered where you went. Tony's was at boot camp and he's a super technical trader.
Yeah, feel free to hop on the mic anytime, Tony.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Take my spot.
Don't take Tara's spot. You have a seat. You have a seat at the table.
Yeah, planned by the big boys. Like Tony says, they manipulate the market, no doubt about it. And we'll benefit from them.
So that Monica, there was another M that you could have taken there. Another M that you could have taken. So now again, so this is actually a good point to make, guys. After support could be breached, you want to look for, if you're shorting more, you want to look for these double tops, these little M patterns, just to give yourself a little double confirmation that you can go short again. Did anybody take that short? Let me ask that question. Did anybody take that short? No, it's okay. I mean,
I did not.
No, I didn't either. I was taking a quick profit on that long trade. If you did, right?
Sorry, Brent. The computer badge, Fred, is for $99 a month members. So the Elite, I think, overrides that.
It does.
You like a computer badge, Fred?
The only reason Fred doesn't have it is because he's been around a while.
I don't have it, do I?
Maybe you had it put on by the system when like all the coaches had it put on.
Oh, okay. Well,
I think so. Yeah, it was just automatic by all the coaches. We can give you a computer badge if you want, Fred. It was just since the new system.
2-minute Stokes, yeah.
Fred, I don't know if I did. Let me double check when we get a time for a break.
Oh yeah, Fred deserves the of the
All right. I hate to keep doing this to you guys, but I did take another long trade. It is still counter trend. Trying not to call out the counter trend trade, guys. Doing that intentional this morning. I don't want you guys getting in counter trend trades that don't have permission.
Everyone see where Tony got the 260 from?
Robert is not giving his. Yep. There you go, Robert. There's another little easy short here, guys. Monica, this little M trade if you want to take it, or kind of a consolidation trade short. I do like this hook on the stochastic, so if you guys took that, I did not. I'm flat. Anybody in that short? I will be more attentive for the short side of things here going forward.
Yep. Mm.
We chopping watermelons now? Is that,
Chop, chop, chop. Just chop.
Correct. Hey guys, we've had plenty of good trades this morning. Just be safe, protect yourselves, keep your capital. I'm going to institute the same rule now as before. Don't risk. Leave yourself profits. Don't in any given trade. Don't risk more than a portion of your profits that you've made so far today. Keep your green as we go through the rest of the morning. So this range we've settled into here looks to be holding for a little bit. So we are looking to play the range then. Yep. Follow Tony. If you can break 30,000. Yeah, guys, I would agree with Tony here. Any moment we can look. We're looking for the market to continue profit taking and rip up to the north side, or break on the downside to 30,000. So basically, what I would suggest is, again, look for these smooth stochastic hooks. If you're still looking short and you are not allowed to do counter trend, make sure that you're just looking for smooth stochastics. Wait for high stochastics, and then you can short again. Good job, Paul. Good job, Paul. That's pretty funny. Coach is texting me, guys, so he's in good spirits. 29992 is the number that he's looking for. 29992.
29992.
Write it down. Keep it in your books. Smooth stochastics. I am short here. Sorry, guys. Been being a little distracted. Forgive me this morning. I'm still a little happy about the profits we took yesterday, so just trying to be conservative. I am short here. And now taking profits. Anybody short with me on this one? Let's see. I'm trying to keep. You guys are texting a lot this morning. Jay, I promise you, we will let you know. We're meeting this afternoon about that. So we're just trying to work out just some of the last little bits of bugs, Jay. Yeah, the ATRs will give you some fits here today, but as long as you guys are looking for these really smooth stochastics, you should be able to get in cleaner trades. These are the stochastics that are bouncing up and down. Those are going to give you a tougher trade to get into. So look for these smooth swings up and down, and those will give you easier trades with the 16 tick rule today. Jay, be patient. I'm not going to give you an omelet that's only cooked on one side, buddy. I just thought of that. It does sound stupid, didn't it? Was it stupid, Tara?
No, it reminded me of college days when on Sundays we could have omelets made up the way we wanted them.
Oh, really?
I immediately thought
Fancy
that we
boys.
let it run around the edges, which is how I do my omelets today. So yeah, they had a great brunch. I had great food in college. That's all I'm going to say.
We had the main cafeteria that all the athletes ate at. That was they just piled on like meat and veggies and everything you could possibly imagine. Landrum cafeteria.
Landrum. We had one place we could go. Sometimes on my way back to my townhouses, I'd stop by China plates, China teacups. I mean, it was all China. It was, I tell you what, we had amazing food. Yeah.
This is a nice little M, guys. We are consolidating here, though, so that might be a riskier one to take. If you do, same rules before, Monica. I don't know if Monica's still here or not. Same rules before. If you're taking the M, take your profits fast. Get to a break even pretty darn quick, especially in this little consolidation area. I would say this is officially enter. Wait, are you guys ready for this? Enter the dragon snout. Enter the dragon snout.
We love it. The snout didn't work. It was a little bit sloppy. Let's draw our snout.
Enter the dragon snout.
Let's draw the snout.
All it is, guys, we joke around about it, but you got a high, a low, and then a lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. So we're coming in range. And when you're looking at this, guys, we make these own terms up ourselves, but all it is you're entering consolidation period, and that's the time you look for the breakouts. So now is a good time to look for a breakout trade and be patient. We can do the ticks. We haven't talked about ticks this morning. You can always look for a tick boom trade in a situation like this. If you're patient and wait for this consolidation period to end, you can do tick boom trade. So if you're looking short, or you can do it. Actually, the cool thing about this is you can do tick boom both directions when we get this kind of consolidation. Just again, this is going to be a scalp type of trade, so you want to make sure that you're taking profits fast. So if you took the low tick long here, you would already take profits, literally fast. Then move a contract to break even, and as soon as you get a high tick read, you close the trade out.
Yeah, that tick tick boom's moving really fast. Yeah, snout is getting tighter, Chanel, for sure. Which means our Bollinger Bands should be squeezing together, and they are. But as of yesterday, I wait for this to break a little higher than I usually do because I did lose a trade yesterday because I took a breakout early. I then ended up taking the opposite side breakout and did okay on that trade, but I'm waiting for a little extra room. I don't know if that's what Tony was doing when he said 265. You gave that a little more room to the top of that wick versus getting in right if it breaks, but I gave it a bit of extra room.
Yep. As it does tighten up, then you start looking for the breakout. Ticks are really not trying to get above zero right now. So little short trade here. So now what we want to look for, guys, you want to see this like little range broken one way or the other, and a reversal. You're going to see this little range broken one way or the other, and a reversal. Too much background noise, huh?
Maybe the background noise is coming from me.
No, that should happen. I put my headset on. I think I'm having somebody work on something, so I think it's probably the background noise for me. Sound sensitive. All right. I have my headset on now, so we should be good. It's supposed to have a noise canceling feature. We'll see if that actually works.
We heard the cricket. Remember the cricket the other day, Brian? I had the cricket outside the window.
That's right. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was outside your house.
Yeah.
Wow, I thought that was one that may have snuck in or something.
No, it was outside the house, and so I've turned the laptop to like away from the window because I refuse to close the windows.
All right,
Well,
guys,
close the windows.
I'm moving my stop
Oh,
down
I gotta go.
to here. Sorry, nope. I just moving my stop. So it was sitting on your window pane, huh?
No, I just have my windows open.
Oh yeah, because you're
The
in a
weather's
place
nice.
where you can do that.
Yes.
You open the window here. I had the door open for like 20 minutes this morning early, and it got blazing hot. And I was like, nope, gotta have my AC.
Well, we've gotten cooler, so I'm fully enjoying the fresh air, but it does come with noises,
Like crickets, that's okay. Crickets are good.
like crickets.
Unless you're bombing on the stage, then crickets are not good. But shh. All right.
You're going to be on the stage doing comedy soon, Brian, right?
Stop. I'm gonna save it for you guys. I'm gonna do one when when you guys come to the boot camp.
Now there's noise coming. I'm going to shut down for a minute.
That's all right. I don't think it's too loud. Lauren, stop again, guys. Anybody short with me right now? I called the short back here. Just said short. Right when we were right in this area. Good job, Brad. Good job, Brad. Lower your stop. Young Fab's in with me. Anybody else? Lower stop. I'm just giving you guys the spot that I'm putting my stop at so I can do it at the same time. 179 is where I'm at now. And we'll go down 2 more ticks. Still have high ATR, guys. So just want to give ourselves some breathing room now. I have 2 left. I have 2 contracts on. So, yeah. Winter time where I live is the best. Lower your stops. Got a little trade signal against us. So we are looking to wait for this to do. Again, plan of the day, guys. Each of these little step downs, go ahead and lower it a little bit more. Boom. I got 1 left. Probably about to be flat. Flat. All right. So high tick read again, guys. High tick read again. We could do this one more time if you're really quick with it. Look for the tape to read what you want it to read. And actually, I don't like the stochastics. Let's wait for stochastics to get a little higher. But if you did the high tick read short there, take profit. Name of the game on the high tick read, tick tick boom, take profit. We had this red. We'll see if red come in on the tape. So when you start seeing green, take profits. Plain and simple. I'll do one with you guys. You guys want to do one? Let's do one. Who is it? Somebody said they did like 3 tick tick booms in a row. Chanel did. It's a good little scalp trade in when we're in consolidation like this. Good little scalp trade. You can always re-enter. Yeah. Let's see here. What time is it? 10:57. So we probably are going to be looking for some kind of breakout now, guys. So just be prepared, get ready. Again, we've had plenty of profits this morning, so no point in the jumping in trades. If you're extremely green, then you can do, what we call the tick boom trade. Let the ticks get high and sell and take profits fast. Sell and take profits fast. Those of you just joining us on trial, we are trying to be patient. I am now short, guys. I had put a sell stop in here below the low. So I'm now short, just trailing one contract, not a heavy position. You'd also look for a break of this low, guys, or really the better break would be this one. So you could have had a sell stop here and be in profit right now. But again, wait for high stochastics, guys. Let's just wait for a higher stochastic read. Now that we're starting to see the range get broken, we should start to see a bigger move. There's your sell signal. Make sure to take profits fast. We are in support though, so be careful of that, guys. This is what I'm telling you. If you do this, you got to take profits fast until we really decide to break out of this range. And what was the number? 29,997, right? 29,997. $29,997. Okay, move your stops down, lock in profits. Lock in profits. Anybody short with me now? Gave you like 3 different entries. Good job, Paul. Good job, Brad. Chanel. Good job, guys. Just lock in some profits. Bill, good job. Don't worry if you go flat. We can always find another re-entry. Just make sure you're locking in profits. That's all I care about. Now we can squeeze our stop a little bit more down. So again, same thing. As soon as this little low here, guys, watch this 15 range. You can use the stair steps here with your stops. Let it break this low, and then just move your stop to the top of this. Plain and simple. Let it break the low, move your stop to the top. Break the low, move the stop. That's all we got to do. If it doesn't do it, then we get stopped out for some profit. That's it. Boom. There you go. Got it, guys? You got it? Rad, Paul, Chanel, Bill, take some profits on that. Good job. Good job, guys. Just trying to play it safe today, guys. Really, all the name of the game is big day after yesterday. Too many people, novice traders and people who've been trading for years alike get too giddy after a day like yesterday, where they made a ton of money and they want to be in every trade, thinking every trade's going to be a runner. When you have an afternoon like yesterday, it's human nature. You just kind of think, okay, I did so well, I'm going to do it again the next day. Well, no, today's a different day. The market's going to have what's the best word I can use here? The market's going to have look what the market's doing. Erratic movements, People are trying to jockey in and out of positions. When I say people, the big boys are jockeying in and out of positions, and you're going to see these erratic movements. So we can't get a tick read above 0. That's a good sign that we're going lower. So again, anytime you're getting a higher tick read relative to the chart, you can add short, go short, take profits fast. You can play that game all day long. I say all day long. You can play that game until the conditions change. Yeah, I'm being, and this is for you guys, especially on trial. We had a huge day yesterday, made tons of profits after the Fed announcement, and we're just being safe this morning. We're trying to make sure that we are entering. Move your stop if you're still in, guys. Now we move our stop down some. Just trailing. If we continue to move down, I will be a little bit more liberal with my stops, with my power exit points, if you will. If we continue to move down, I will be more liberal with the power exit point, expecting erratic moves, right? Expecting erratic moves up and down. If you squeeze your stops too tight today, power exit points, you're going to take little profits, get stopped out really fast. But that's okay. Take profits. Name of the game is taking profits today, even if they're small ones. Still taking profits. If you've traded 3 or 4 times this morning, you caught a couple of those good longer run trades, you probably should be done trading. I'm still calling trades this morning just for you guys that haven't gotten your itch filled yet, if you will. So it's the only reason we're still calling these trades. Here's this support area. If we can break below this, we'll probably get down to that 29. What was that? 29,997. So high tick read. I just don't like doing the tick tick boom in support. I'd rather do a sell stop. But again, we're gonna stick to what we said this morning. Let's play the high stochastic game. Let this buy up a little bit, and we can go short. Momentum starting to turn back over for us, so we can probably look at a first touch rule. Purposely and on purpose, taking way less trades a day, calling way less trades a day, guys. Just doing that on purpose. So please keep yourself safe. If you're out of the reservation, if you guys, well, let me ask this: everybody's green so far this morning. We are all green, right? Everybody's green. If you're red, let me know. We'll try to fix it. We'll do the rehab center. $170 people and 4 people are green. Nice job, Chanel. You're orange. JW's orange. Good job, Denise. KMC, good job. Great job, guys. All right. I love seeing that. If you're red, let me know, guys. Orange and blue. Gross, Tony. All right, let's help you out, Viv. Yeah, we'll give you a download of the chart setup, Spencer. So you get this chart set up, you get all the basic training videos, you get
As a matter of fact, we aren't. By the way, guys, I forgot to announce this. Please forgive me. There is no class today at noon. No class at noon today. We are trying to wrap up some stuff on the indicator. No class at noon today. All right, you guys hear me? But yeah, you get access to the training videos, chart settings, download the backup the charts. We have a backup that you can download, Spencer. I'll just do that now, guys. I'll give you guys a quick orientation since Spencer's here with us. Let me see if I can find that. There we go. Really quick, we'll just run through this. So once you join standard level, you get main trade room access, and you get everything on the main members area, which is our our methodology, basically our high level methodology on how we do trend, build our bias for the day or for the near term momentum. And using stochastics. Then you have basic setup videos. We talked through the first touch, Spencer, 16 tick rule. These are all videos with a drop down that you can access. Watch these videos. Um, and then we have everything on setting up your trading platform, the indicators. If you're using a different platform, here I'll copy these settings in and put those in chat for you, Spencer. There we go. There's your settings in chat, Spencer. You also can download and install the backup the workspace. We have instructions on how to do that. And there is a third-party prop firm that we affiliate with here. You get a 50% discount. On that, we can't give advice on using prop firms. Our lawyers say do not give advice on that. So we don't. You can use them or not use them. We can't give you advice, but you do get a 50% discount if you go through this link. And then we have some basic ATM strategies. We like for people to practice the setups, entering the setups with a very basic ATM. So you practice, so you don't have to worry about managing the trade. You just want to get into trade, get used to get used to the entries, and then after you get used to the entries and consistent with the entries, then you adjust your ATM to manage those trades using the prior swings. And then you'll have access to books. You get a free consultation with a tax person. Joe and his team are amazing. So you get a free consultation with them. They're really creative, do a great job. They've been in the trading world for a while. And it is mandatory, Spencer, that you read these books. So yeah, you get access to all the basic training, all of our basic setups, all of our current our actual core methodology, if you will, our core training as you enter. If you want to go pro or elite level, we can talk about that later. So there you go, guys. Just wanted to give that real quick. That help you out, Spencer? Yay, nay? Perfect. Yep. So you get all that, and then obviously we have the pro level, which is $299 a month. Includes class recordings, group coaching, and then our elite level includes one-on-one coaching and trade plan, position, trade management, personalized trade plan, trade management with your coach, and a lot of other things, some advanced recordings, things like that. So you're allowed to go up and down on a month-to-month basis between pro, elite, standard. Doesn't matter. You're allowed to do whatever you want. Did you mention a remade workspace? Pre-made. Oh, yeah, it's there. It's in the members area. You can, once you join, you can just download the workspace and install it. It's called a backup. Install it to your NinjaTrader once you have it downloaded. There are videos there on how to do that too. Sound good? Yep. You can just download the workspace, and it's there for you to download and back up, and your charts will look pretty much similar to ours, almost exactly. Everybody does some sort or some kind of reconfiguration on their own. Everybody has a little different way they like to look at things. I've just gotten myself used to scanning in this kind of manner, so I'm just constantly looking top left, and then circling back through the charts here. So I just got used to doing that. So I can handle a few more charts. Some people like Coach Tara. I think she has 5 charts max on your screen, something like that.
Uh, typically, but it's a little different. Because I keep other things
Awesome.
that I want to keep it bigger when I'm with you guys, so I have other things on my other screen.
Perfect.
So
Yeah, and there's a zoom button, guys. There's a little magnifying glass in the top right of where you see the charts. You can zoom in and move it around if you want to use that. Oh, fantastic. Glad to have you, Spencer. Glad to have you as a member of the group. Looking forward to working with you. We will, once you join, schedule a coaching session. Coach Wilbur will help get you started, or Coach Tara will help get you started, and then they'll help guide you through, whether you want to be standard, pro, elite to begin with. Whatever you need, we're here to help. We don't try to make anybody committed to any long-term anything. So you have the option to take that elite level for a month. And it's $7.99. People look at it and say, "Oh crap, $7.99 a month." Well, no, pay 1 month of $7.99. Get the one-on-one coaching. Get your trade plan built. Get consistent in that month, and then go down to pro or standard. Or start with pro, and if you feel like you need coaching after that, go up to elite, or start with standard and go up to elite or pro. Either way, guys, we want to help you. We've got that flexibility in the pricing plan, so you can go up and down so that you can get the level of support and coaching that you need. I am short here. I did have that sell stop in. So, these lows, when they get broke, guys.
I'm short as well, Brian.
Yeah. When they get broken, I've been doing this, doing those little sell stops. Taking a little bit of profit. Good job, young Fab. Oh, wow. Good job. Hey, Fish pays attention. He did the M short. Good job. We're working through Paul, the market analyzer. We're working through a couple different iterations of that. So that's not really something that we're even shouldn't be on the radar right now. I just have it for you guys to see some of the things that we're trying to work on for you.
But you guys can create that too.
Yep, you can.
That's not the hard. I mean, it would be hard to recreate what Hugo did, but you could create that market analyzer thing yourself if you looked at it a little bit. It's kind of cool because it gives you really a good thermometer. I like it. It gives you a visual really fast. That's a super good thing.
I still have 2.
I have one, coach. It's been uppity and downity, and I have money in my pocket, so I'm pretty conservative.
I just have 2. I had the sell stop in with 3 contracts, so that's what I did. Now I have 1. Good job on the M trade. Who took that M trade? Paul said he did, right?
Oh wow, that's good. Wow,
Jeremy?
that's a good trade.
It was Jeremy or Paul. I can't remember who said that. Fish. It was Fish. Great job, Fish. Stay in it. So the name of the game, Fish, is leave yourself enough room to let this run for you. When we see these lows get broken, the first light bulb that goes off in your mind should be, okay, let me give myself a little breathing room. You got it at a great fill, Fish, right? So you can leave your stop back a little ways. Don't get too anxious. I know you're using one contract was a runner. So leave that stop back a little ways. Give yourself a little breathing room. Anytime you see the lows get broken, you want to be tight with your stop. This low gets broken here. Keep it a little looser. Look, you're going to give back some profits, but at the end of the day, one of those trades will end up continuing to run down. Not a ton of breathing room. I mean, the ATR is coming down to a manageable area, so you could use, once you get deep into profits, you could use the ATR as your stop, or half the ATR at 35. Sorry, probably want to use half the ATR. You should be flat by now. Does that make sense, Fish? Like half the ATR once you get deep into profits, until the ATR gets down around the 20-ish level, 25. Yeah, Hey, Viv, there is a reason for that. The trade log is intended on purpose to be tedious. It is so that you can analyze your trades. Make sure, guys, in the comment section of your trade log, not to say, I thought it was going to do this. The comment should say something like, well, I saw an M top off of high stochastics. I confirmed it with a 16 tick rule short, something like that. Or, I was looking for confluence with a 2-minute and 133 stochastics go short. Whatever it is, it shouldn't be I thought. It should be what you actually saw that made you make the decision to take the trade. Make sense, Viv? Good job. And you guys see it. I mean, you look at Tim. I keep picking on Tim because he's a member of the month, but you look at what Tim's done. He logs every single trade, and his efficiency has gone through the roof as far as a trader goes. He should be into the minis now this week. He did micros, so he should be starting the minis this week, and hopefully he's doing pretty well with it. I'm assuming he's doing pretty well with it. He shouldn't have changed anything. Oh, the email tonight. Oh, Randy, guys. All right, yeah. So, guys, tonight the email is going out tonight with the boot camp locations, information for both boot camps. So those of you doing the Clearwater boot camp, you'll have that in the email tonight. Everybody's getting the same email, so it's going to have both location, venue information, room block information, all the whole 9 yards for the boot camps. If you guys are interested in joining a boot camp, let me see if I can post the boot camp information in the alert section here. If it's easy to find. Here we go. If you have any questions on the boot camp, guys, we contact the main number. It will be in the alert section here in about 2 seconds. All right, there's boot camp information. We will be live and in person. All right, guys, trail your stops a little bit more now. Lower those stops. Told you guys I'm getting way more generous with my stops. Okay, getting way more generous. Just have one, but just being really generous here with my stops. Power exit points, if you will. We are live and in person for the boot camps, guys. You'll have a group setting where basically it'll be just like you're in a trade room, except for you're in person, and the coaches will be looking over your shoulders, watching your trades, making sure that you are seeing. So we can't see what you think you see unless we're there with you. So the boot camp's a great way for us to see what you think you're seeing and what your thought process looks like in person, and help you correct that thought process. My dream. I'm telling you, 29,000 is coming. Trail stops. Who's short? Anybody still short? Anybody get back short on this little rally? Had a little high tick rate above zero. Good job, Jeremy.
I got back short, but I'm being conservative.
Good. That's the best way to go. Keep your profits, guys. If this 2-minute low gets broken here, then let's look for it to go down, down, down. I am sticking to my plan. Every chance I get, I will add to my shorts if we keep going lower. That is my story, and I'm sticking to it. Nice job, Jeremy. Job, Bill.
Good job,
And
Jeremy.
if you guys want me to give you power exit points, stops, tell me. I will do it. Let me know your entry price, and I'll give you a stop. Again, I'm being super generous here with mine, so I'm not. You're welcome. Been doing a good job, Jeremy. I like it. I like hearing it, like seeing it. What's that? Nice job. Great, Jeremy. Best week. Nice job, fish. Good job. I think I'm just going to start using a gong when people are done for the day. How about that? Great job, fish. Done for the day. I feel like the gavel connotates something bad. I like the gong better. What do you guys think? Gavel or gong?
Gong.
I like the gong too. I'm a bigger fan of that.
The gavel means order in the court.
Right.
You like a little disorder after a good trade.
Yeah. All right, there it is. We got the done for the day gong now. Tim must be in meetings. Haven't seen him respond. I want to pick on him a little bit. All right, guys. Again, if we're going to see this downtrend like this,
Isn't the country song "That's My Story" and I'm sticking to it? That's a country song. Brian could play that
I
one.
have no clue. Is it?
Oh yeah, I'd sing it, but I'm not that great of a singer.
Oh, let's hear
That's
it.
my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Oh, is that like Travis? It's Travis Tritt song, right? Something
Is
like
it?
that? I think so.
I don't know who sings anything, but Lulu and Tony don't like country music. I like all music, and country is a piece of what I like. But I like Metallica too. So
Tony knows I like country. That's the only reason he says that.
he's poking at you. I like country, just not all the time.
I got a little bit of everything in me. I'm from North Georgia. I lived in Atlanta for a while, so I've got the rap side, I've got the R&B side, I've got the country side. The only thing I don't do is a super heavy rock. More pop rock for me.
The headbanging music.
That's what I can't take.
I do like some of that.
Just I don't know, something about my way I'm built that gives me a headache fast. What part of Georgia? I'm from Canton originally, Paul. Canton, Georgia originally. I lived in Atlanta for 14 years and then made my way down here. Alpharetta. All right. Yeah, I've been to Alpharetta many times. What part of Alpharetta are you in? What's
Colin
that?
Ray.
The Bowie what?
Colin Ray sings it.
Holcomb Bridge. Oh, wow. Well, you're basically Roswell. I don't know. You're just trying to tell yourself that you're an Alpharetta person. I'm joking with you, Paul. You have to be like right on the bottom edge of Alpharetta if you're on Holcomb Bridge. I used to work over. I used to work like right around the corner from that spot in Holcomb Bridge. Yeah, you have to be on the Roswell Alpharetta line right there. What are you, just across 400? Where that shopping center is, one of those neighborhoods on the left side of Holcomb Bridge. I'm taking a wild guess. Yep, that's what I figured. Behind the that used to be there was a big Planet Fitness, and just out past that there's a huge neighborhood. Yep. So just on the other side of 400, that office building I used to work in, Paul.
That's in Tennessee, Tony, you know. We once got stranded in my dad's plane in Savannah for 3 days. We had an ice. We had to, all the planes were grounded, even the jets. And we had we had about a half an inch of ice on the plane the third day to chip off. So I remember that pretty well. It's a nice area in Savannah.
I do love Savannah.
It's really nice.
We tend to make it to Savannah once a year. Yeah. I try to make it once a year to Savannah.
Nice.
Typically.
Hey, Tony meant Tennessee. Tony meant Tennessee, guys. He did not mean Georgia. Don't take it offensively. Oh.
Offensive.
Here's this what Tim does this. LMBO. Laugh my butt off.
Good old Jeff Foxworthy.
Is that
It's amazing the amount of wealth that Jeff Foxworthy has been able to amass by starting as just with the redneck jokes. Jeff Foxworthy. He did it right there. Figured it, found out he was on to something, diversified, and now he's living the dream.
Fish. West Virginia. I have rock climbed in West Virginia in the past.
I have gone whitewater rafting in West Virginia in the past.
I could see that probably in the same gorge I was rock climbing. I was probably waving at you.
Yeah.
I didn't know you, but I was like, look at me up here.
It was like I think it was like 10 years ago, 7 to 10 years ago I did that.
Nah, this would have been a little more than that, but not much. So it's really nice out there. Yeah, Larry the Cable Guy. I was thinking of him. Yeah, Larry the Cable Guy. Look at that dude. Like, what's wrong with us? Why is he making money doing things like this? That's why Brian is going into stand-up comedy. That is why.
It's more of a hobby than that.
I'm joking with you, Brian. I'm joking with you. We can't wait to hear your shtick.
Shtick. Every single person in the audience was laughing Tuesday, so I say that's a success.
I'm going to try to keep a straight face then.
Try your best.
I won't be able to. I laugh all the time. I stand here. I laugh. I dance. Like I'm constantly I don't know, constantly invigorated. And I have a cat. I can't quite get to my mouse 100% because the cat is laying here with me.
cat. Oh yeah. You also have a trading cat.
I have 3.
You can only pick one to be the trading cat. But I love them all the same. Yeah, but
Nah, I love them differently.
just like kids, one's going to be smarter than the other.
They're different. They're very different cats. Stanley's the trading cat.
All right, Stanley. That's a good name for a trading cat. Stanley.
He came off the road at 11 p.m. up in New York by my parents one time, and he's been with me for years.
Oh wow, Stanley the trading cat.
Yes.
He was a hobo, and now he's got a home.
Yes. Very thankful for his home. He is.
There you go. Now he gives you good trading advice.
I don't know about that. I'll wait and see here.
I haven't seen the trading dog. She normally comes and bothers me at this point. So she knows the market's kind of slow this morning. So normally she'll come and stick her head right up under my arm when it's time for a good trade. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in about 25 minutes, we're going to take a break. We're going to take lunch. We've done well this morning. Keep your green. Don't over trade, guys. Seriously, 2 or 3, 4 max really good trades. Be in the green. You can short this hook on a stochastic right now if you'd like. We're still just playing ball in this range. And if you guys know what I mentioned earlier, if we get into a bigger range, you can play the highs. Tony even mentioned it as well. You can play the highs of the range. Should be really easy profit taking areas to short, or easy to take profit areas. So if you did that, take a little profit. Is anybody short on that high stochastic hook right there? Anybody take that? This is what I've been talking about, guys. Nice job. You guys are animals, absolute animals. This is exactly what I've been talking about, guys. These stochastics, when you're seeing it do this, you tend to want to stay away. And when you get that good, clean, smooth hook, then you can get in. Even if it gets you a couple ticks late, look for the good, clean, smooth hook. If you're playing both sides this morning on this range, you want to wait for these good, clean, smooth hooks, stochastic. Those are going to give you the easiest trades. If you're playing something that's a little bumpy like this, you want to look for the M's or the W's, plain and simple. Give yourself a reason to be in the trade. Don't just say, oh, high stochastics, I'm going to short. Oh, it looks like a hook here, I'm going to short. No. Either the smooth swing on the stochastics, guys. Now trail your stop. I got to trail my stop. I'm in way late. Way late, but that's okay. Does that make sense, everyone? You guys follow me here? When you see these little wrinkles in the stocks, probably want to stay away from them. If you do, you're trying to short high stochastics, and it looks like this, use an M. Make sure there's an M. If there's not an M, don't take the trade. Wait until it smooths out and you get a smooth little hook. Does that make sense, y'all?
That makes sense, Brian, if you manage your trade.
I'm going to turn on my country accent, my North Georgia country accent. Get that going for you guys this morning. Got one left. Have we had a losing trade today?
I reckon it does, Brian.
I reckon. Have we had? I don't think we've had a losing trade. Oh, Tony.
I reckon it does, Brian.
I reckon it does.
All right, let's get going.
as I eat my bacon.
You're scrappling bacon.
I am way out of character today. I got treated with. I never do this. I usually eat pretty healthy, but I got treated with chocolate chip pancakes with raspberries and blackberries
Ooh.
and some bacon.
I might like to have your wife.
Come on. How do you know that's the person that gave it to me?
Well, I don't think your dogs are cooking. And I don't know if your mom's with you.
That's funny, Robert. Have a sip of my moonshine. I wish I had some moonshine. I miss it. I have a buddy in Georgia that makes amazing moonshine.
How do you characterize amazing moonshine?
If it doesn't taste like gasoline,
Okay.
when you take a sip of it, it doesn't burn your tongue off. It has it should have kind of like a sweet corn flavor to it.
Oh, okay.
In my opinion, if it's really good moonshine, it should have like a little sweet corn flavor to it. It should start burning when it gets like halfway down your throat.
Oh, that's a well done characterization. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit of a moonshine connoisseur. Hills of North Georgia.
First day of autumn, pumpkin pancakes. Yep. I've got gingerbread pancakes. I don't know.
Lucky you. What's Rad saying lucky you too?
I don't have them now.
Today's the first day of autumn?
Yes, it
Really?
is. Tonight. They say
Alright.
at 9 o'clock or something. Why is it 9 o'clock tonight, guys? Is it because of the moon? Good shine burns your lips.
We already had the harvest moon. That was last moon.
Good shine burns your lips, but goes down smooth. And don't burn your gut. Well, I'm learning a lot here today as I'm not trading.
Where is trucking from? Where are you from?
Where is went off trucking from?
How do you know about moonshine, California people? No food talk.
Oh, just makes me think of sushi. That's all I'm
M.
thinking like sashimi right now.
All right, guys. Look at this little M.
Okay. I like it.
So slow right now. I think we need to just start thinking about going to lunch. I am short with it. A little light short position here. I love sashimi as well. Oh, Middle Tennessee. Then you definitely know about moonshine. All right, take profits on the contract, guys. Move your stop into a profit area. 2 ticks, 1 tick in a profit. I don't care what it is. However many contracts you have left, get both of them into stop. You guys are in this little M trade, right?
Oh yeah.
I looked up just in time from my pancake to take an M short. Good job, guys. Good job.
Thanks for paying attention, Brian.
I'm trying my best.
I'm too much of a socialite. I was enjoying the pancake talk and the autumn talk and the moonshine talk. I'm bad.
Lower your stops.
Just because I made money today.
Get a stop down. Probably want to eke it down. Wait until this little bar. Again, this is a little support area, guys. So just guarantee yourself profits on this. I have 1 left now. And if it breaks this little low here, I'm just watching this 15 range day. If it breaks this little low, I'll move my stop down to right above it. Plain and simple. If not, I get stopped out with a couple ticks profit on my last contract. You guys flat? Still in? Anybody got anything left? Flat, flat. All right, good job. That's fine, Rad. Rad, that guarantees profits. If you can get in the trades proper time, take 10 ticks, that guarantees profits.
All right, Chuck. Good job.
Nice. Good job, Sloan. Yeah. Well, this was another.
Mhm.
This is exactly what we said this morning. Good eyeball, Jeremy.
The 1 minute Stokes also down still, so
So what
just
we
gotta
said
be
this
careful
morning,
that
guys.
133.
This is just the best trades today are going to be taken with confluence on the 133 and 2 minute stochastics. So that is a good, good remembering, good taking notes, Jeremy. That's what we said before the market opened. $500 tick trade. Wow.
Whew.
That's a good one. Are you getting private messages there, Coach Tara?
Once
Who's
in a
talking?
while.
Who's talking bad about me?
Nobody.
Oh,
I have not had anyone talk bad about you. They don't do that in private message. They call me direct on my phone. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I've not heard anyone talk badly about you then. Yeah.
means I'm not being mean enough. I have to get you guys ready for Coach to come back. Start yelling a little bit.
You have to be a little tougher, Brian.
Should be, shouldn't I?
Mm-hmm.
I'm only tough on the people that don't follow the plan when I give a good plan that works for the day. But everybody's been kind of following the plan. We got a good plan today. It's worked. No need in getting overzealous. Just stick to the plan. Still looking for lows to get broken. You have a area. We're consolidating in, so look for a bigger move. Maybe wait
Brian,
for the stochastics to get high on both. It's 2 minute and what's that?
Brian, was your stop at 141 on this one? That would have put you right at the 89, basically.
Oh yeah, it was. Which means I'm flat. Took profit on 2 contracts. I had that just enough to pay for commissions. Yeah, that's where it was. So we'll let it rally up. Those of you aggressive could have had a buy stop above this little range here if you were super aggressive. Again, I think we should just keep our profits for the morning. We're going to be taking a break here in a little bit, go to lunch. Just keep in mind, guys, no class today, no class today, no class today, no class today. And look in your emails tonight. You will be getting your email tonight with all the boot camp information and venues, room blocks, the whole 9 yards. If you have any questions, obviously those of you who are pro or elite level members, you do get a discount on the boot camp. And anybody can join. anybody can join the boot camp. It's one-on-one training throughout the entire week. We will be looking over your shoulder. Lots of whip cracking, bamboo poles, knuckle cracking for you guys that like to overtrade. We'll tie your hands behind your back. Put you in timeout for 27 minutes, whatever we have to do. Make sure we will do whatever we have to do to make sure you walk out of the boot camp profitable.
Buy red. That's a good idea, Tony. If we took moonshine shots after every trade, you could only trade like 5 or 6 times.
Yeah.
You'd be napping, like you'd be back in bed napping.
Be napping by noon.
It'd be done. 5 or 6.
5 or 6 trades is all you need. That's it.
That's what I just told somebody in the chat. The people who've been with Coach a while really do take a few trades a day.
There's no point in trading those. Yeah. I mean, typically in cash, 3 to 5 trades max. 3 to 5 trades max a day in cash. Switch to sim at that point. I mean, some people, and that's for most people. Most people, 5 or 6 trades max.
Didn't you miss this room, Tony?
Some people can trade all day and be really good at it. Some people can. Very few. I mean, you really look at it, most people fail at trading. We already know that. Everybody knows that most people fail at trading. And the reason is most people fail at trading simply because they let their emotions get involved in what should be a business decision, and they put themselves in a spot where they're constantly chasing trades. If you get in 5 trades, you have 1 loser, 4 winners, and you're profitable for the day, call it a day. It doesn't matter if it's $50, $500, $5,000. It doesn't matter. The compound interest will catch up. The thing we try to teach everybody here is to be consistently profitable on a daily basis. I love it. The good moonshine.
Oh my.
Oh my. Yeah. So if you can walk away profits on a daily basis, then you're winning in this game. It doesn't matter what they are. There's going to be days that you have great days. There's going to be days that you have small winning days. Yeah, you're going to have losing trades, but at the end of the day, if you can be consistently profitable every single day, that does add up to huge gains over time. So over time, you should be profitable, not every time. So the advice is always quit when you're ahead. Stop. Get out of cash. When you're ahead, get out of cash. Until you can prove to yourself that you can be green every day for how many days, you should quit when you're in profits. Or don't risk your profits. There you go. 30 days, guys. Until you can prove to yourself that you can be profitable every day for 30 days, make sure that you walk away from the table, walk away from trading every day with profits, which means if you're going to continue trading after having profits, you can't risk more than what you have in profits. What about that for philosophy, guys? How's that hit you? Sound like a good plan or no? That means Rad, you got to stop over trading. Pra, stop over trading. Fish is on that plan.
We've got a little bit of a hook. If we surpass that resistance there around 174-ish, we should possibly have an M. 1 minute Stokes have crossed, 2 minute are still heading up. 133 tick heading down. We got a sell signal on our 15 range bar chart.
This is my last short of the morning, guys. I did do exactly what we talked about. Wait for a confluence on the 2 minute and the 133 stochastics. Did anybody get in this short, or are you guys all happy for the morning? Last short of the morning before we go to lunch break. Oh, nice job, guys. Look at this. Everybody's listening. You're all in this trade? All right. Guess we have to hold on to it. 191. Nice entry. I am not there. I am in here. 174 is my entry. Good job. Good job. All right, guys, do exactly what we talked about. Trail your stops. I would probably move one down to at least a 200, and then wait to see if another low can be formed. So get a stop down to 200 or 89, whichever you feel comfortable with. I have two left. I'm going to put one right on the 89. Sorry, 200. Geez, one right on the 200, and I'm leaving one back. 2 ticks in the profit, just like I did before. Be right back.
Hello, everyone. Paulina here from Liberty Trading Club. Thank you for enjoying our live stream this morning. And if you are interested in becoming a member and joining us live in the trade room, you can take advantage of our 3 free day trial by visiting libertytradingclub.com. Make sure you take advantage of this offer as soon as you can because it's not going to be around for too much longer. Limited time offer to join us for 3 days for free. After those first 3 days, it's just $99 a month to be a part of the group. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please remember, once you sign up, you unlock our training videos as well as get full access to the room for 1 month. Thank you. Have a nice day.